Modern LAN principle number 1 states, start with the things of the Internet of Things. Many of the existing endpoints you're looking to upgrade to IP are already connected by coax. One of the biggest challenges to connecting IP endpoints to IP applications is reach and high power requirements given the 328-foot reach limitations of a standard Ethernet switch. This results in the need to add many IDF closets to achieve the reach requirements, leading to risk, higher cost, disruption, network complexity, and security concerns, potentially compromising your transformation. NVT Phybridge enables you to take full advantage of modern LAN design with award-winning long-reach PoE solutions, including the CLEER product family, Ethernet over coax switches. The enterprise-grade CLEER 24-port managed and 10-port unmanaged switches connect to any IP endpoint using EC adapters and deliver 100 megabits per second symmetrical, full duplex, and PoE plus over coax cable, and with a reach up to 2,000 feet, 610 meters. That's 6 times the distance of typical switches. Now, the CLEER 24 switch, along with locally powered EC Link or EC Link Plus adapters, can extend 10 megabits per second connectivity to 4,000 feet, 1,220 meters reach, 12 times the distance of typical switches. With up to 30 watts per port and no speed degradation with distance, CLEER is designed to support the most demanding IP cameras with plenty of bandwidth to spare. The CLEER COAX-to-IP product family is successfully supporting tens of thousands of IP endpoints globally. Experience our featured case studies to learn how other organizations have made the upgrade to IP quick, easy, and cost-effective. Visit www.nvtphybridge.com/coax-to-IP.